Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to revisit how you can create designs completely for free using Canva. So hopefully you signed up for your free account. The website is canva.com. If you haven't, please go and sign up for the free account. And what we'll do is we will go to create a design. You need to enter the width and height, and if you haven't tuned in before, the width and height for a t-shirt from Merch by Amazon, so this is a Merch by Amazon tutorial, is 4500 pixels by 5400. So let's go in there and type in 4500 for the width and 5400 for the height. Create a new design. So Canva will load up in a new tab. Let's just wait for it to load up. Hopefully, oh dear, it didn't work. Oh, let me just refresh that. I just refreshed it. Let's see if it comes up. So it doesn't happen often, but Canva can get glitchy occasionally. I think I've only experienced this once every 6 months. And okay, we're back in business. So let's call this Legal Eagle. Okay, Legal Eagle T-shirt. And the dimensions was 4500 pixels by 5400 pixels. There we go, we've labeled it. Now, what I like to do is I like to go to Google and I typed in Legal Eagle funny. So I just want to have a look and see if there's anything funny about that we can put on something merch based. Okay, so I'm not sure if you have any preferences. You might want to go for something serious. That's okay too if it's for business or professional purposes. So maybe something like this. You don't have to use Jean-Luc Picard, but you can use something like this when he thinks he is a lawyer, just because he has completed law school. You don't have to use those exact wording, but you know, why don't you do something? So over here, let's go into the fonts, okay, because we're going to add some text here. So goal better. So there's obviously two fonts here, and this could be eagle and this could be legal. We can blow that up, make it much wider. So that will be number 1, followed by, and you know, feel free to get creative, you know, with this, because that's the whole point of enjoying designing. You know, you're completely free to choose how you want to design anything, right? So I'm going to center that. Spacing, line height, so we'll just make sure it's in the middle. So line height 0 maybe. Oh. Okay, so instead of hustle, I'm going to say, because I finished law school. So this guy just finished law school, thinks he's the bee's knees, and obviously he may or may not be. So this might be something funny you can give to someone who's just completed law school. So let's try and increase that to, I don't know, 250. And line height. Okay, there we go. And the best t-shirts, or the t-shirts that sell the most or are the most popular, tend to have a black background. So we'll put a black background there. There we go, Legal Eagle. Obviously, feel free to play with the fonts. There's so many fonts you can choose from. I'm not going to go through them. The ones with the crown, you'll have to pay a small fee for. It doesn't cost too much, but that'll be up to you. But you can feel free to browse. They've got so many fonts that's available to you for free. So there we have it. Play around with the fonts. Enjoy the design process. You know, in under 5 minutes, you can create your own graphics for Amazon merch. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you in the next video. Have a great day.